think we're at the limit of the stock pump. Alright guys, we are so close before we can take this truck out and do some driving. I've already did 1 or 2 test runs, and it does run out of fuel at right around 4,800 RPMs, and I think we're at the limit of the stock pump, which I believe is between 400 and 500 horsepower. I'm not quite sure, I gotta check on that, but and that's on about 4 pounds of boost. So let's go ahead and get this pump out and get that Walbro 450 in. All right, we got the stock pump out. I'm gonna pull, well, not the pump, I'm sorry. We got the stock sending unit out. I'm gonna pull the pump out, and then we'll put the new pump in. Rotors and pads time. And also we're gonna do the rear shocks because we never did that. We're gonna put on Harbor Freight jack stand for safety. I hope y'all got that joke. Alright guys, what we've all been waiting for, we're gonna go take this thing for a test drive. We'll go ahead and give you guys a POV. I think that works. We'll check it. If it doesn't, I'll take another video. Alright. Let the truck warm up. Get my computer set up. This right here is for my my wideband. I don't know if you guys can see that. Hopefully you guys can see that. Let's go. Alright, what I like to do, I like to monitor AFR and AFR command, EQ and EQ command, and I have error percentage graph that I look at, and I also do real-time tuning. Oh, that sounds so good. I don't know if y'all can hear it. I got the windows rolled down and got the wind. Oh, but it sounded great. What I like to do, let me roll up the window real quick. What I like to do first is just work on cruise. Make sure my cruise fueling is good. I subtracted about 5 degrees of spark. So far, cruise is doing pretty good, right around 14.6, 14.8, 15. It's not bad. I don't know if y'all hear that. That whistle sounds great. I think I got the passenger door. I gotta close the passenger door. Alright, I gotta pull over and close this door all the way. It's driving me nuts. Roll into it. Running a little bit on the rich side, which that's all right with me. Like I said, it's a safe tune. So I'm gonna stop at this gas station up here and pull a little bit of fuel on top. I'm gonna put gas in, and while I do that, I'm gonna take a look at this tune. Let's go ahead and pull some of this fuel out. And record. This process, it just goes on over and over. Same process over and over. Still got way too much fuel up top. Man. This thing sounds so good, man. Oh my God. I love it. Wow. All right, time to take some more fuel out. All right, guys, I'm gonna mount this in a different location. We're on the way back home. We're gonna do some more tuning later. Do a quick little pull. It's still way rich up top, so gotta work on pulling some fuel out. Like I said, I put a safe tune on it, and it's just dumping fuel. Cruise, I got the cruise and idle. I got that down. We're cruising right around 15 to 1. Isn't bad. All in all, though, I'm very. Let me roll those windows up. But all in all, I'm very, very happy with this build. The way it turned out so far. Still got a little bit of things to button up, but it's running, it's driving, it's making some power. It's pulling around about 5 to 6 pounds right now, 5 to 6 psi, and I'm only running 6 degrees of timing up top. Oh, I love that sound. I'll see you guys back at the shop.